What is up, beautiful people? Today I have a review on a hair product for you guys. This is the Nutri Brazilian Botox Expert. I was sent this and I received this in the mail just probably like a week or so ago, so I decided to go ahead and test it out. So this is kind of like a first impression, but if you guys want an update video, let me know. So I had never heard of this brand. They reached out to me. I was a little scared because when you do treatments in your hair, you're like, oh, is this gonna work on me? Is my hair gonna fall out? But I am so impressed by this. So I will be showing little video clips here so you guys can see like a before of my hair, during my hair, like how I put it into my hair. And then after, I did do like a blowout and then I sectioned my hair and ironed it. So basically what you do is you wash your hair and then you come out of the shower, you know, like towel dry it, and then put this into your hair for 30 to 40 minutes, let it stay, and then go back in the shower and rinse it off. When I rinsed this off, my hair felt like silk. It was just so soft and amazing. I can't even tell you how amazing it was. And then what it tells you to do is like blow dry your hair. So I used my Revlon blow dryer and just blow dried it. It's one of those like round brushes that's a blow dryer all in one. So I did that, and then I sectioned my hair and then flat ironed it. I'm telling you, like, I only get my hair this straight when I go to the beauty salon. I can never get my hair to be this freaking straight. And I'm so excited because they say that this can last up to 8 weeks. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys some of the information on their website just in case you want some back information or you know, are curious. So they have different kind of like sizes for it. So if you're somebody who loves and lives by this, you can buy like a big tub, or you can buy like, this is the medium tub. This is like 8.8 ounces. Yeah. Or they also have, I think, a 4-ounce one. And they do have sales from time to time, and they do have Affirm, so you can pay in payments. So that's really a great one as well. And they do have other products available. This was just the one that they asked me if I wanted to review, so that's what I did. So this is $54.99 a month, but before you have a heart attack, this is going to last me like a hot minute. I think I'm going to be able to do probably like 4 to 5 treatments from this. I did my hair today, and I have like medium length hair, probably like, yeah, like medium length hair, and I have thin hair. So that's something to take into account, like how much hair do you have and the length of it. But I still have basically like the whole tub left. So I will be doing this various times into my hair. This is what the product looks like. It does have a scent to it, so that's just something to take into account if it's something that would bother you or not, depending if you're somebody who like is sensitive to smells. It's not a bad smell. I actually thought it was a pleasant smell, but I just like to point that out. So it has marine collagen, glutamic acid, and pureness oil. It's an antifreeze, hydration, and reconstruction. And basically, I already kind of told you guys the steps to using it. Also on their website, it shows you like before and afters of people's hairs and the benefits from it. So it says you can have up to 5 applications, which is more or less what I thought based on like the tub when looking at it. It provides deep hydration, a smoothing effect to your skin, to your hair. So deep hydration and smoothing effect to your hair, makes your hair nourished, strong, healthy, and shiny. It gives you hairstyling options, seals and protects your hair color. So if you have dyed hair, this is good for it. It fortifies your hair structure. So I was just blown away, and then you can see all the little steps on their website as well. But oh my god, I just am so blown away. They say that this effect to it can last probably up to, it says up to 8 weeks if I'm not mistaken. Let me just make sure so I'm not like just talking out my... Yeah, it says instant results after the first application, the effect for up to 8 weeks. So I will let you guys know if you guys are really interested, and I see a lot of movement and comments below that you guys want an update. I will do an update like in 8 weeks and let you guys know how long did it last, how long did this effect of it last, like after taking a shower, did I have like sleek straight hair afterwards and that kind of thing. this is more of a first impression because of that, because obviously I just got it and I tried it and really loved it, but I also want to update you guys if you're interested in knowing, like, does it really work for that long? But my first impression is, holy moly, I'm just so impressed by this and love it. I feel like if it does last, like, even if it's just like 4 weeks or more than 4 weeks, where my hair just like is limp like this and I don't have to put that much effort into blow drying it or anything, woo, mama, you know that this is gonna be a staple for me. They also have other products available, like I said, so you can definitely check their website and see if anything else calls out to you, or if you're curious to try anything from them. I will leave all of that, or if they give me a coupon code or anything like that, down below. But I am seriously so blown away by how, like, look how sleek my hair is. Like, I can never get it to be this straight. Usually when you guys see my hair this straight, it's because I went to the beauty salon. So yeah, I definitely am excited to see how long this is gonna last. Let me know what your thoughts are. Have you tried this product? Are you curious about it? I'd love to hear from you down below. If you're not subscribed, hit that little subscribe button. Follow me on my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.